Friends, short-form video is brutal. Miss the first half second, and viewers are gone. But what if you could create cinematic shots, real feeling sound, and synced dialogue all with a single prompt? I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are looking at something that genuinely changes how AI video works, PixVerse V5.6. Guys, this isn't just another update or a slight improvement. This tool is a real leap forward. With a single prompt, you can now generate full sequences with multi-shot camera work and realistic soundscapes. You even get music and dialogue, all automatically synced to the visuals. Let's see how PixVerse V5.6 brings everything to life, from sleek product shots to fast-paced action. We'll explore what's possible and the kind of results you can actually achieve. Also, I have left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Folks, let me show you something really cool. PixVerse version 5.6 lets you create full video scenes from just one text prompt. And here's the crazy part, it's not just visuals. You get the full package: music, sound effects, even dialogue, all automatically synced with the clip. All of this happens without any editing and without using third-party tools. When you open PixVerse, you don't land on a bunch of templates. Instead, you get a proper workspace where you can actually build things. So let's jump into the settings and choose how we want our video to look. Mates, we'll select model 5.6. This is the version where multi-shot and full sound generation were added. And honestly, that's where the magic happens. Alright, now let's get into the main prompt. First, I'll set the resolution to 1080p and keep the video short. Let's say 6 seconds. There is a preview mode that gives you a few frames to choose from, but for now I'll skip it. We'll pick the YouTube aspect ratio, leave off peak mode as it is, and honestly the rest of the settings are good to go. Folks, next comes the fun part, describing the idea. Let's make this a cinematic mini commercial for a premium smartwatch. I'll walk through it scene by scene, explaining exactly what I want to see. Once that's done, we just hit create and let the platform do its thing. And here's an important trick. I don't write one big scene. I split the video into multiple shots, and each section starts with cut to next scene. That helps PixVerse understand when the camera should change and where the sound comes in. I even set the music, sound effects, and dialogue right inside the prompt. Alright, let's see what we get.
Time, refined. Built for focus. Move with confidence. Own the moment.
Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! What's really cool about the tool is that you're not limited to text prompts. You can actually work with real products. For example, I uploaded a photo of an energy drink and the model keeps the real shape, colors, and overall look. From there, I mix that real photo with generative video. I am not just asking it to show a can. I am building it scene by scene, choosing the angles, the movement, and even the sound. I can add details like a metallic click and the general mood I want the scene to have. Mates, thanks to the multi-shot feature, PixVerse knows exactly where one scene ends and the next one begins. So it turns everything into a short visual story. I hit create and wait for the result. Now let's take a look. First, I decided to try the idea with the can, just to see how the model handles the object and the motion. And here's the result. Now let's switch things up and try the same concept with a bottle. Honestly, it looks great. Maybe the version with the opener is a bit overkill, but overall it works. And the result is instantly ready for TikTok or Reels, with no need to edit or add sound effects later. Alright friends, let's push it a bit further and create something even more dynamic. This time it's a cinematic 10-second parkour chase in a neon-lit alley at night. Just like before, we break it into scenes and describe everything from faces and movement to the background music. Then we hit create and give it a few minutes. And here's what comes out.
Go!
We have a fast-paced, high-energy scene with matching music, close-ups, and the character jumping across obstacles. But since it's AI-generated, you may notice some subtle visual artifacts. Folks, let's try one more character, this time in casual clothes. Here, I'll keep the prompt shorter and describe everything in a more natural way. We start the generation and wait. And this is the result. A strong video with a clear character transformation. Alright guys, let's get to the most exciting update on the platform, PixVerse R1. This is a real breakthrough in AI. You're not just creating a video, you're launching a live interactive world. The environment is generated in real time and responds to your commands. You can browse ready-made examples, but let's build our own. Folks, this is the session setup panel. A timer shows when the session starts, so let's move quickly. First, we choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9 for a cinematic look. Next is the style. It's set to POV, meaning the camera becomes our eyes, and we can walk through the world. Ambient and dramatic styles are also available. Then the world theme. This is where we enter our prompt in English. Let's create a mysterious, glowing alien forest. A first-person experience in a bioluminescent jungle with a mystical atmosphere. We launch it. Friends, the world begins generating right in front of us. From a point-of-view perspective, we see glowing plants, insects, mushrooms, and strange creatures. The environment keeps expanding endlessly, and it already looks impressive. Notice the live label in the top right corner. This isn't a pre-recorded video, it's being generated in real time. The detail is impressive, soft lighting, moss textures, and smooth movement. But the real magic is interactivity. At the bottom, there's a prompt field where you control what happens next. This is where you become the director. Mates, let's move toward the center of the scene. I ask it to slowly move toward the giant glowing tree. The system processes it, the camera slows down, and we move forward. That's real-time control over an AI-generated world. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. What really stands out with PixVerse V5.6 is that it finally feels like real filmmaking, not just AI-generated motion. The way it handles multi-shot sequences, camera rhythm, sound depth, and character movement makes the results feel intentional and cinematic. Folks, whether you're creating short ads, storytelling clips, or dynamic social content, you're no longer just generating visuals. You're building complete scenes, with sound and pacing working together from the start. Right now, PixVerse is also running a limited-time promotion. Members can try PixVerse R1 for free, making this a perfect moment to jump in and experiment. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.